Welcome back to the channel, guys, and we are back in Southport, sunny Southport, with a difference. We're staying one night at the Vincent Hotel, arguably one of the best hotels in Southport. So we've already checked in, we've got one night bed and breakfast, so let's go and check it out. So we're all booked in. That's got the minute. So we've got a glass of Prosecco thrown in as well, which is really good. So we're in room 505. So look at this, a bit dark. Where are we? It's nice, isn't it? Smells nice. 505. We've got a city view, I think. Well, this is different, isn't it? Eh? That's different, isn't it? Well, what view. Let's have a look. Got a massive bed. Yeah. The chair's long. Big chair. TV. Ooh, coffee machine. That's good, isn't it? Tea, coffee, usual stuff. Probably, let's have a look. Let's just have a look in here. Yeah, it looks clean. That's good. Got the card for the electric. Where's the slot? Address slot? There it is. Oh, they give you a card for that as well. So we've got. It's a beautiful bathroom. Got a small, it's really deep bathtub. Got a shower. Got your shampoo, your conditioners. It's a white company as well, so it's quality. Really nice. Nice tiles. Again, you've got white company. Hand lotion. And hand wash. Nice sink. Big mirror. Couple of glasses on each side. Toilet. So is it clean? Yeah, looks good. Radiator on the wall. Bit of a step up there, 'cause it's quite deep that bath. Yeah, and it's got like a seat inside, brilliant. You happy?
Yeah, I need a wee.
That's nice, isn't it? You need a wee? Go on then. So we just noticed that you don't get USBs outside of your bed and there's no sockets. So like we've just done now is make sure you bring your chargers, and over by the table here we plugged ours in, so there's a couple of spare chargers there. So let's have a look behind this curtain. So we've got ironing board, iron, nice touch, some coat hangers there, room for your suitcase. Let's have a look in here. We've got a free safe, and let's have a look at this. Oh, we've got a fridge with a couple of bottles of spring water, one sparkling, one still. So look what this says: alcohol can provide some of the best things you will never remember. You believe in. So I think them are complimentary. So again, nice touch. More storage underneath, and then this side we've got storage, a couple of shelves. Not sure if it's quite dark in here, I'm not sure if it's picking it up, and we've got a globe. I'm not sure what all that's about, but I guess it's nice. On this side we've got tissues, plenty of them. Got your remote for the TV, got a couple of magazines, and you've got oh, you got an hairdryer in there. That's good. Got in this one. Got some laundry. Booklet. Yeah, looks good. Quite happy with that. Nice mural on the wall. Just having a closer look to where we are. So anybody who knows Southport, we're across the road from the Scarsbury. I'm not sure if you can see it very well because this glass is filthy outside. And you can also, we've also got a sea view, believe it or not, in the distance, which you won't see.
Haven't got a fridge.
Yeah, and there's I'm just saying then there's two bottles of water in there free of charge.
Oh, they're free of charge?
Yeah, which is good, isn't it? So we've got music outside at the moment. Apparently near the Dubliner they've got music all day long, so we'll go and check that out in a bit. Yeah, it's a good spot. Quite happy. So I'm gonna drink me prosecco. Have you drunk yours? A few bottles? One with words. Cheers everybody. So this room, we're just gonna go out for a drink. So I put my camera, locked it in the safe, but it's the we just found this smart little feature. Have a look at this. It's a room that keeps on giving. So there's no curtains in these rooms or blackout blinds or whatever. But what I thought was I don't know if you can see it because it's crap lighting. What I thought was a wall. It's actually a sliding wall. What is this? Look at that. How good's that? What do you reckon, Deb? That's a cool feature, isn't it?
Yeah, brilliant.
Like I said, I'm not sure if you can see the full effect. But, oops. Next door's not being happy. To do the mattress. Oops, what's all this about? Let's have a listen. Hello? Yeah, everything's fantastic, yeah. Brilliant. I think we had some free wine, didn't we? I'm kidding. Everything's brilliant, thank you. Bye. Ta-da. Bye-bye. That's a bit of fun, don't you? Yeah, so let me just show you the mattress. So the mattress has got a protector on, and it's not got an encasing, but oh yeah, it's got a mattress quilt as well. What do you call them? Okay. Topper. Got a topper on. So we've got a topper, a protector. Yep, and we got decent cotton sheets as well. All good.
You say we'll do okay forever in blue jeans, babe.
What's this called? The Carlton?
Maybe tonight. Maybe tonight. Money talk, sing it. Fucking hell. What are you fixing tonight right here? Little brown, little green. If you know what I mean. She made a guess that's Coke salad and it change. Well, your mama always working on the time when he finished speaking. Turned back toward the window, crushed out his cigarette, laid it out to sleep. And some to the place. I belong. my mind, take me home, a country road. Everyone, I need you, baby. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say.
Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming king? You rock the pages, you see through present crazy musician. Little more people like these people, half the devil shall sleep, but you expect it's some shit. You can stay close to me. Stay close to me. Watch the world come alive tonight. If you stay close to me.
Morning. So we just had breakfast and full English. It was included in the room rate and it was absolutely 10 out of 10. Really enjoyed it. The staff were really attentive, food was good quality, and we paid for the one night with breakfast £135. We paid a lot more for a lot less in other hotels, but like I say, actually we're one of the best hotels in Southport and we've really enjoyed it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.